Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on emptying the Files Recycle bin on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the My Files app on your device. Scroll down the page and tap Recycle Bin. In the Recycle bin, tap the 3 vertical dots button and then tap Empty. Tap Empty Recycle Bin on the pop-up. Your Files Recycle bin is now empty. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.